We have a Newton's third law. Newton's third law क्या है? To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. ये तो योर करो कहाँ action तोर के सही वापस reaction. For example, अच्छे Z body या A body तो B body. F1 जो force, F2 जो back force. F1 is a force acting on body B due to body A. F2 is a force acting on body A due to body B. ठीक है? और F1 is always equal to minus times F2 because these two forces are always opposite in direction but magnitude same. F1 का magnitude किसके बराबर है? F2 के बराबर है. But direction क्या है? Opposite. That is why यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? Minus. ठीक है? और Newton's third law इसमें क्या है? We have to need two bodies. आज गसन आसन जरूरी कस body एक इस body पे action गसन action reaction कहें. Whenever their two bodies interact with each other, they exert equal and opposite force on each other. Yet the body as interact करान, तो उनमें किस force आसन exert गसान z force, action force and reaction force, ठीक है? और action and reaction act on two different bodies. हमेशा action अगर एक इस body पे डाल, reaction आज एक इस body पे. समझ आवा? तब ये चीज़ बना Newton's third law खतर क्या कहते हैं? Two bodies are important. Z body गसान जरूरी आसन. Back point तो जो याद single force exist गसान an isolated force does not exist in universe. हमेशा force exist in pure. This was Newton's third law.